In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix low call volume on your iPhone. We'll cover a bunch of things you can check and adjust to make sure you have good audio when you're on a call with someone. First, if you're on a call, try using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. These buttons will adjust the call volume. When you're on a call, the volume buttons will control the call volume, not just the ringer. You've probably tried this already, but if it didn't work, let's move on to some other steps. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Touch. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Call Audio Routing. Make sure it's set to Automatic. This ensures the audio routes correctly during calls. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to Hearing. Tap on Hearing Devices. Make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off unless you use a hearing aid. This will help improve call audio. Then check Audio and Visual Settings. Go back to the Accessibility menu. Tap on Audio/Visual. Scroll down and turn off phone noise cancellation. Sometimes this feature can interfere with hearing the other person clearly. Next, let's try a couple of physical adjustments to your iPhone. Restart your iPhone and then clean the speaker. At the top of your iPhone, you'll see the speaker. Make sure it's clean. Use a Q-tip or a soft cloth to gently clean out any dirt or debris. Be careful not to damage it. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.